Oli division away. Arua municipality away. Ghetto president away. Modepe. Ake mimulenderi yonzenga tedemandendea. Ale mina wodi po feu tola nurse. Mali migezon okala fedi pirise. C'était le temps de faire manière. Et parler, ils ont mané on te barawa derrière. Maïdon de Zambie adale. Amoutima. Androma doa. Voilà dire doa. Amoutama de Moudi Malé. Kalafemani Mendezo de. Echemani Traila. Il est suivi bon. Otata tizo Uganda Malaya. Ari mane on jazo Malaya. Mabi yolo emini vini mini ari radio ba. Ate undrase amane batara bar Malaya. Manje yo Madria. Manje yo simone bi ngori Madria. Mabi vini onje ofita mani uti muzo zingazo Arua municipality de Malaya. Arua municipality Malaya. Eyo di kulukuloma si ezapi. Le idemati pepole nandera. Mamu Government Museveni aritia yazore. Ele atia ne. Achiko koru. Angwa mabule tourism po. Adiko Prime Minister Sienda Factory diachi. Achi akose anje factory di lebo terengo Kampala. Abdurrahman Mahanda di factory metrisiani. Achi akose factory da Nuga. Bazile kano di factory ba. Musumari dezo. Vini mabati dezo. Achi akose farangani azikwe. Regate titaman mahaja mboro. Tizo MPs Westnale repair. Lezo kene Westnale baba baire. Many credito le substation ya ati esuzo. Sa mania dezo parliament ya disi. Eli buduri ni to isi. Ame susende da loni sira. Te bazidi. Museveni iti ayayo. Sende di mungo ware ndu ayayo. Epema timu ayala ya. Mari baru dinire biru banji otei pie baido pe maro chazo perere kalina dia taudi pie anji di kala fesi yangiri azi eni yo obune ma emozi fe anji eni lako te otita madiri ma alea alo alembata fe vocational skills anji ni choa yo isi azi ngazo welding Mahalia, carpentry Mahalia, tailoring Mahalia, hairdressing Mahalia, Dogar Kamano Tora, Hotel Chozinga, Mahalia Rare. Anazori, Eriokuki, Akusari Sisopoku inisi, Okuki Akurizari Sini, Eka Okudi Slinga Feli Futao, Erialozori Yoganti Matia, Erioga Familia Matia, Anidini. Okuwa mutiede mangunde azigazo emebe afowere bazo emenya yuko fako emeni Mahalia pari mini angazore ezozo ma choza ma vini mi die yoko emi chovini mbata su echozo ti mi di ayuzo no skumbo mi di ndudura ayuzo echozo sende suzo bongo sotasi vini susi sotase emecho akuri imidi akora na radine yotitama ni hotel wako kanisa di Mahalia mai mangunde ngade mane ngaborele tichizo kanisa ipe kitizo masikiti ipe dezo kini afamati wore ma fi orijo atoti ma alia indini sizo la OPS nilsi masikiti yazike madini hiri masikiti ampo aboke madini hiri bazile ki maindi petichi amuzo masikiti ni fazova eni so prononi sizo maimo wima anje kilingoni district kadi madema kule ofisi chi Uganda alia Titado de Museveni anida abautie patualo wale kanisa liki wale masikiti kifaa dusiare ate mari andarudu tausi minister azia mukiri hekini ngone President Museveni ni afino wandro erebu ledi title masikiti da agripi bedene ake modo bede zingabo manda chakura wakanda kwa dusi ete kile mburi mara Chakini President Museveni urimara mani nje ukitaba lela si kitatu la ajira na muke tu sana matoto resi masilipite yoja lumani lenzola kiti Maria mesitadia baziki apike de prime white pe pape iti doa muya alinda iti nufila wili sibo ika kwa mwe kurikibo ya mkolone ndadwa kalapami ngejo nisi kalapami ndeba nisi ibu tozi atidi imi pata na ikava ale kuya opeta muli mahalea dasi amaga kibo tebari itigari kandaya banga wadina ramu singone ngoni adini mai ya madi amade kimilepie ndezudu osubiri nani mahalea abama liki avako sandu ojipu jeba roriki amamba upei mavule amupalo vyakufi yangoare amanenga agaye timebetua no madi simbulu madi ebini munre palad pepari mesania mesa de maifiti kene eorudire amanga yotu ilipetwalo mesa tia afawore tia wonire amanga chini bedudia mesa tia balon pepa dule manamba mudidirisi mabanamba fulengbere ila lualu iri na su tau azia aziri aro oromi muti bukola dodiria kilengone bafulengbere ngata namba sisi abalus ajode malaku buku mungu drijonia ba mungu di buku da sirisikan do mungu anisia etekini talenga idera dika umbulu mudidi ni toys bani ngoro petari oferia big is big on the photo Alessandro du feangiri amane atizo taunia badi ma asi ofuzo kilengone ande bo Ibabutia mangabo chusuli cho idaza bali pulu amabiri ndo chini ya awole foto adroma temibe chazo pele ududa mahalia amani muzoyo ataru lozobari ni votisi awole foto wadimu moyo awali wakaselo wadi kaweza za kokoru DJ Ebanga Malongo. We are fighting for Freedom Day. Mali, get a president maybe. We would like to this song is to invite Honorable
fighting for freedom. Put up the music. We are fighting for freedom. Put down the music. Acapella, we are fighting for freedom. They sing for Cassiano, we are fighting for freedom. Bobby and Cassiano, we are fighting for freedom. Thank you.
I want to
Whatever, Christine, you're going to translate for me?
Yeah.
Where's my brother Opingo P?
Opingo P, get him in Guaya. Yeah, this is Opingo P in Guaya.
Because the words I'm going to say. And because I am a musician, I want to request that Opingo P translate for me. Can you handle the fire? Can you handle the fire? Thank you. Uganda! Cassiano! Alright, looks like you're there. Now let's try this one. When I say people power, you say our power. I got people power in your our power. And then I say our power. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Our power. People power. Thank you. I want to go very much, ladies and gentlemen. I want to put me up good evening, brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters, good evening. I come to you today after thinking very hard for very many days. I said, I come to you today after thinking for very many days and thinking very hard. I was supposed to come in this campaign right from the beginning. And me not showing up until it is only 48 hours to go to this election. It does not mean that I was not thinking about Arua. But because the election in Arua is a very unique election, ladies and gentlemen. We find ourselves in a situation where we have been postponing a problem. Hoping it can solve itself until a time has come when we must come in and do what we must do. This election, ladies and gentlemen, is unique because we have many brothers and sisters in the struggle. Because we have many comrades in the struggle running in the same election. It is not the first time that we've been faced with such a situation before. We are facing with the same situation in Jinja. But we managed to come together as the forces of change. We managed to come together as opposition. And we chose one candidate. And that is how we managed to liberate Ginger from NRM and Museveni. Recently we are faced with the same challenge in Bujiri. Where we had 2 opposition candidates. And when we failed to agree on which candidate we are all going to unite on, we decided to unite on the better candidate. And that is how we managed to liberate Bujiri from NRM and Museveni. Although the forces of change were running on different fronts, we always encouraged our comrades to campaign like brothers and sisters. Today we are here in Arua. It took me so long to decide, because in Arua it is not only 2 opposition candidates that are running. We have 5. I said we have 5. We have my brother from FDC, Bruce Musema. We have my very good friend, Robert Ejiku. We have my fellow artist, J.M. Kennedy. And we also have Mzee Jaffa from Jema. All these people share the same mindset with us. But today we must choose who is going to represent the voice of Arua. Thank you. All right. So, Ani, why do I come to Arua today? Why do we come to Arua today? Listen to me. We come to Arua today because there is a question that must be answered. I say we come to Arua today because there is a question in Arua, and we must answer that question in Arua, and we must answer that question here and now. I come to Arua because there is a war in Arua. I said I come to Arua because there is a war in Arua. Just like there is a war in all parts of Uganda. That war is a war between the oppressor and the oppressed. That war is a war between a small group of people led by Museveni and the majority of Ugandans that are being oppressed. I come to Arua today because we have won that war in Chadondo. Because we won that war in Jinja. Because we won that war in Rukunjiri. Because we won that war in Bujiri. And because we must win this war in Arua. But before we get excited, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to know that we can also lose that war in Arua. I said we can lose that war in Arua. If we don't unite, we will be letting NRM to take away your voice and to continue misrepresenting you. So we must decide now. So ladies and gentlemen, after thinking very hard for many days, I have come to the conclusion that even if we have so many forces of change running in this race, we must all unite and support Kassiano Wadri. I told you that we can lose this war. Not because we don't have enough fighters, but maybe because we have too many fighters and we don't know which one to take on the front line. We have been trying to do it all over the country. We have been telling you in words and even in action that we are uniting across different political parties, that we are uniting across tribes, that we are uniting across religions. But this election in Arua teaches us one special thing, that we must also unite across generations. As we seek to take on leadership as young people of this country, we must also tap into the wisdom and the guidance of the elders. Especially those elders whom 70 fears most. I said we must choose the people whom 70 fears most. Now let me tell you something. It is not a secret anymore. I say it is not a secret anymore that we are trying to unite and remove Museveni from power. I said this that we are doing is not a joke. We are not here to enjoy ourselves. We are on a mission to remove Museveni from power. And if we are to complete that mission, I said if we are to complete that mission, then the people of Arua have a very important part to play. It is the time when the people of Arua must speak for all of us. I've moved the whole country, and what you first hear is not any different from Chadondo or Masaka or Kabare or Mbarara. It's not any different. We have the same problems, and they all start from bad leadership. So it is the time where the people of Arua must speak for all of us. This is where Arua must unite on behalf of all of us, ladies and gentlemen. So, as we go to the Wednesday election, ladies and gentlemen, I am calling upon all of you, brothers and sisters from Arua, men and women, young and old, to all come together and vote for Kassiano Wadri. I know that Musema is good. I know that Ejiku Robert is good. I know that J.M. Kennedy is good. But Kassiano Wadri is the best. And we must choose one. I said we must choose one. This is not a clash of political parties. I said this is not a clash between parties. And it's not a clash between generations. This is a unification of the oppressed against the oppressors. I said this is a unification between it's a unification of the oppressed against the oppressors. We are coming together to say enough is enough. We are coming together behind Kassiano Wadri, and we are coming together to say people power. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. Tomorrow I will tell you how we are going to guard our vote. I've already told you that we are on a mission of removing Museveni. And we know that he has been using rigging to take away our power from us. I am also telling you that I am going to be here until Kassiano Wadri wins. And after Kassiano Wadri wins, we shall go together to parliament. I say after Kassiano Wadri wins, it is not going to be the end. It is going to be the beginning. We are making a strategy for 2021. Amadi le strategy kan kutitaziba eli 2021 ni kan kukaliri kaliri nyaluni. We know that the country is behind us. Anirakini kari Uganda niri amafuti yogogo. And we also know that President Museveni and his NRM are planning to rig. Anirakini mba akidile ba iribe le omu amakolu. But we also have another plan. Do you know what we are planning? Do you know what we are planning? That is our own business. Thank you.